he was surprised. So this is this people. So please, we should not do any other tea. If there's anything you feel that is not, instead of putting, we come together. I can always call them, then come. The only way we can go, they are not listening to you. The one that is, but please let us not demand for impossibility. Because the day you want a woman to deliver the same way Jesus was delivered, and it's not possible, you are ready, so it's not possible. You come, you say, you lock again, you say you want, how they born Jesus. You don't get mad, I want you to born the born like that. So those are impossibilities. The what will not be possible, we will weigh it first. But the ones that are possible, I do know the little discussion I have with Paul. He was very happy, and he asked me, he promised that definitely is that man, he has done a lot for, not for Okpela, for individual in Okpela. They are the ones convincing him. Now they are the ones, come and do this, come and do this, come and do this, come and we want this, we want that, we want this, we want that. So at the end of the day, who gets his soul, he forget. So now we will send them to him, and whatever we want, the man is ready to comply. He said before Okpela is the new person.
So how do you sell it? Before now, when there are vacancies, we send to the Bureau of Employment. They will send people to us. We will screen them. We will employ from them. If we still have shortage, the idea of youth leaders have been in Okpela even before Bua came. It is not Bua that brought the idea of youth leadership in Okpela. It has always been like that. We met it like that. All the village has their own youth leader. So how do we meet these people? And now the youth leaders began to carry guns and all these things. To me, I don't know what the benefit in this. Are they the ones selling the slots? Because, just like he said, we have this document that we have given to you is just taking the true position. That's why I say we need to first of all understand that is somebody lying to someone. We are not lying to anybody. When there are vacancies, when we identify job needs and we declare vacancies, CLM is here. They list is 60-40. We make sure that we follow a 60-40 order. Our work in the office ends there. We sign off and we give to him to take to the community. At that point, we don't even know how. As we are seated here, I believe one or two people have met me here. And when you come to me, I say, go and meet CLM. I cannot help you for community slots. Why? Because our own work ends at the point of signing off. Then you go to your community and they bring you. That is how we have it. Now, if you know how my heart, I had a very great relief last week when we met in the CSO's office. You will notice that we did not object to it. When they said, henceforth, issues of recruitment, every issue that has to do with the community, CLM should not liaise with the community any longer. That we should pass everything to you. We went out of that meeting very happy. Why? Because I saw the way they clap for you. They trust you, they love you, you're a man of the people. Let us give it to you. Everything, I've told you, everything that has to do with the community. Please don't deal with the community any longer. That's the structure of the government. And he will never do that again. If he does it at his own risk. The situation now is for every position. When we sign up, you take it here. Thank God a file has been created here. You register, they recommend to us, we interview. If we still have other positions, or maybe by virtue of after screening exercise, there are some people that we still come back to you. I think That one we remove every distrust, every of these things. The CDA is with you. If you remember last year, the governor directed that this CDA must be put into place. And he said the office of the Attorney General should preside over it. You were at that meeting, sir. And this is how this thing, and this man said something, that it could not be prolonged. If it is prolonged, then it is not POAS. We have presented it here. So if it is prolonged, you push. We pushed. We pushed, that is why it got to this level. So when you push, every organ of the government that is supposed, and the community that is supposed to be represented in the CDA, they make their input so that we can sign it off. What you don't know is that some of us feel that BOA does not want to do CDA. Just like he said, it's not everything that you go ahead and say. Here, I have a letter with me. We are even from the community. High-level delegate have said that we should suspend the CDA. I have it here.
No, that is what.
So.
Anyway, that is our home. We can't touch our destiny.
To us.
We get there.
To
there is
us.
nowhere we will not go to.
We are pushing. 2 weeks ago, I was in the office of the Ministry of Justice. 2 weeks ago, you can quote me, to still go and ask, what is delaying this thing? Because if it is there, we won't be sitting down here. It is going to be the constitution that binds our operation. So we too, we are eager to get it signed off so that it can be a working document. We have gone round, but thank God that government now find a lasting solution. They have said everything, if we have anything now, if I empowerment, everything, we come to bring it here. So that you don't need to see me tomorrow and say, this is our enemy number one. I'm not an enemy to anybody here. Yes, I appreciate you. Most of you are my friends. But the issue is that I was a student. There was a time I was a fresh graduate.
I don't think you.
Even if you have a erroneous impression about me or anybody before now, thank God we have an umpire. We bring everything here. And that's why I say tomorrow, you will not say, it is this man that stopped me from working in BOA. It is no longer, and it makes our job very, very easy. Then you will see what we face. If I did not tell you now that we got a letter to suspend this, you will not know. So, just as he is here, as he's seated here, he has so many information that me I don't know because it's close to the state government. I have some information that you don't know. When this man said he asked our organogram, I noted it here. You may have an idea, but you don't have our organogram. I can tell you that. You can have an idea. Magnus is from Opela. He's the head of recruitment now. Wait.
No, it is now. Not yes, please. No, it is.
We have given you a document, and a lawyer. I don't need to tell him how to go about it. Definitely, I know in the process of finding out some of these things, it will involve you. And this is a working. At some point, you will call us to defend some of these things here. There are some points they will call you. This is an open document. And I'm telling you, by the time you finish that investigation, you will see that it is 60-40. But many people can say, because they want to create scene and so, and people will clap. But we have given you a document. Please work on that document. Involve them. Involve them. He said his office is the head of recruitment. He said his office is open. If there are questions, please meet him. What I will beg you, don't let us listen to hearsay. When you know where you can get facts, we will not hide anything from you, because when there is peace in Opela, that's when we can operate well. If there is problem, it affects the company. It affects us as individuals. on the issue of EIA, well, every other, I don't want to go too much into some other issues, but just to run to some of what all that I've said is that everything that we are doing, we'll be dealing with the local government chairman. Please, if you have any complaint, we will not disagree at any level. You know what should be the duty of the company to the community. And you know what should be the responsibility of the community to the company. You know that. And I know that you will not support one side. You will balance the equation. And I trust you that you can do justice to that. And that's why we are happy. The government has taken this decision. We are, as a company, we are happy to deal with you. So that maybe this is going to bring a facelift to our relationship with the community. You are the highest person at this level here now. Even all the chiefs, even all the people writing, that's why we will not entertain all this type of letters anymore. That anything that does not come from your office, in fact, I've told them that we differ from when we come from this meeting at the gate. All these on invited solicitors from the community, we will send them here because we want to be transparent. We don't want somebody coming behind. You don't understand. We don't want somebody coming behind and saying what thing. Then
because they are removing some issues from your head. Because nobody, very few people who will believe that that what you are not doing. Very few people will believe that you don't know anything about the selling of straight. CLM, no, he knows, but he might deny it. He cannot say that he never heard of information that he said that he's selling slots. And it might not be he. It might not be you, it might not be me. But the source, since the source, you cannot say you've never heard it, but you never heard of it.
No,